Since July 14th, the British pound has lost over 4.5% against the US dollar, and it put in a near-term bottom on September 13th in that knee-jerk reaction to the US CPI data, which came in mixed to slightly higher than expected, slightly. Now, much of the multi-week move can be attributed to an evolving economic narrative in the US, as the belief that the Federal Reserve was capable of pulling off the elusive soft landing and, consequently, would be able to keep rates higher for longer, which would be supportive of the dollar. Now, what's somewhat conspicuous is that the British pound was one of the better performing currencies over the last 2 months, with the euro down 7.5%, the Aussie dollar down 7.5%, and the Canadian dollar down 4.5%, even as crude skyrocketed. However, in recent days, there have been some developments that may weigh on the British pound further. On September 13th, the UK Office of National Statistics reported that GDP fell 0.5% from June to July. That was more than the down 0.2% expected. Now, in the near term, British pound has created a technical base at 124.40. Traders will watch that level for clues to the British pound's next move. Now, the CME Group offers 3 different sized currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tones. We're going to be using the micros in these examples. If a trader believes support could fail and that the British pound could fall from here, they could express that by selling the December micro British pound futures contract at 1.2496 and target a move back to the May lows of 1.2320. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 1.2596. Now, this trade could make $110 if the target is reached and risks $62.50 if stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes the British pound could bounce from here, they could express that by buying the December micro British pound futures contract at 1.2496 and target a move back to the August highs of 1.2800. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 1.2296. Now, this trade could make $190 if the target is reached and risks $125 if you're stopped out of your level.